Giải chi tiết đề viết dự đoán IELTSbro chủ đề các phát minh trong lịch sử con người. Đề dự đoán cho quý 3 năm 2023. Đề bài cụ thể như sau, đã có nhiều phát minh trong lịch sử nhân loại, chẳng hạn như bánh xe. Một số người nghĩ rằng điều quan trọng nhất là Internet. Bạn đồng ý hay phản đối quan điểm này? Các bước giải đề chi tiết như sau. Phân tích đề. Tìm ý. Lập dàn ý chi tiết. Bài viết tham khảo. Phân tích bài viết. Trước hết trong phần phân tích đề, chúng ta đi xác định 3 yếu tố sau, chủ đề của bài, câu hỏi cụ thể là gì, và cuối cùng là đối tượng của bài viết. Trong phần tiếp theo, bạn hãy tham khảo một số cụm từ đồng nghĩa với các cụm từ khóa trong bài. Các bạn dành thời gian ghi chép lại các cụm từ khóa này, việc sử dụng đa dạng từ vựng trong bài viết IELTS là điều bắt buộc để đạt điểm cao. Phần dàn ý chi tiết mình sẽ viết rất đầy đủ các ý hỗ trợ bổ sung để mọi người hiểu rõ về cách triển khai luận điểm, luận cứ. Quan điểm mà bài chứng minh đó là đồng ý rằng Internet là phát minh quan trọng nhất trong lịch sử loài người. Cụ thể như sau.
Introduction. Introduce topic and writer's opinion on Internet importance. Provide overview of points to be discussed. Body paragraph 1. Importance of the Internet. Topic sentence. Internet revolutionized communication and information access. Reason. Enables instantaneous communication across distances. Benefit. Global collaboration and knowledge sharing. Example. Social media connects people globally, fostering cultural exchange. Counterargument. Wheel's importance for transportation and trade. Rebuttal. Internet's impact on communication and information surpasses the wheel. Body paragraph 2. Internet is catalyst for innovation and progress. Topic sentence. Internet sparked innovation and transformed industries. Result. Democratized access to knowledge and education. Explanation. Online learning expands self-improvement opportunities. Comparison. Internet accelerates scientific advancements and research collaboration. Counterargument. Other innovations transformative impact. Rebuttal. Internet enables advancements in multiple fields simultaneously. Conclusion. Recap main points from body paragraphs. Reiterate writer's opinion on Internet's significance.
Trước hết bạn hãy dành 30 phút để viết bài luận IELTS hoàn chỉnh theo dàn ý trên. Sau đó hãy tham khảo bài viết mẫu sau đây.
Model essay. In our advanced world, inventions have shaped human history. While some argue for the wheel's importance, I firmly believe the Internet is the most significant innovation. This essay explores its revolutionizing communication, information access, catalyst for progress, and its paramount significance. The Internet has undoubtedly transformed the way we communicate and access information, becoming an indispensable part of our daily lives. Its greatest strength lies in its ability to enable instantaneous and boundary-less communication, bridging gaps between individuals across vast distances and fostering global connectivity. Platforms like email, instant messaging, and video calls facilitate real-time interaction, nurturing collaboration and knowledge exchange on a global scale. For instance, a recent study by IT Research Center found that 72% of worldwide adults use social media, demonstrating its immense power in connecting people from diverse cultures and promoting cultural exchange and mutual understanding. In comparison, although the wheel played a crucial role in transportation and trade throughout history, its impact falls short when compared to the Internet's remarkable capacity to connect individuals and disseminate information globally. The Internet's impact as a catalyst for innovation and progress across industries is profound. By democratizing access to knowledge and education, it has unlocked countless opportunities for self-improvement. Online learning platforms, for instance, empower individuals to enhance their skills and knowledge conveniently from home. Furthermore, the Internet's role in accelerating scientific advancements and research collaboration is remarkable. Instantaneous sharing of findings among scientists has led to breakthroughs in various fields. A specific example of this influence is seen in the medical sector, where collaborative research through online platforms has led to faster drug development and medical breakthroughs. Despite the significant influence of other innovations on society, the Internet's ability to simultaneously drive advancements in multiple areas truly sets it apart as a transformative force of our time. In conclusion, the Internet's significance cannot be underestimated. It revolutionized global communication, fostered collaboration, democratized education, and accelerated scientific advancements. Its impact on communication, information access, and societal progress surpasses any other innovation. Thus, the internet is undoubtedly the most crucial invention in human history.
Hãy cùng xem lại bài viết hoàn chỉnh, đặc biệt chú ý các câu in đậm thể hiện quan điểm của người viết. Sau đó, chúng ta cùng làm một số bài tập từ vựng và lập luận cho đề bài này nhé.
Exercise 1. Complete the following sentences with the correct form of the words in parentheses. 1. The internet has played a pivotal role in _global communication. Revolution. 2. The internet has been for advancements in various fields. Catalyze. 3. The internet has become an of our lives. Dispensable. 4. Social media has people from different cultures. Bridge. 5. Online platforms real-time interaction among users. Facilitate. 6. The study the internet's power in connecting people. Demonstrate. 7. The wheel's impact when compared to the internet. Fall. 8. The internet has the ability to information on a global scale. Disseminate. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate advanced phrases from the model essay. 1. The internet's role as a has led to remarkable advancements across industries. 2. The internet has become our daily lives. 3. Online platforms collaboration and knowledge exchange. 4. The study conducted by the IT Research Center social media's immense power. 5. The wheel's impact when compared to the internet's ability to connect people. 6. The internet has revolutionized global communication gaps between individuals. 7. The internet's ability to information globally is unparalleled. 8. The internet has been instrumental in multiple areas. Exercise 3. Choose the most appropriate word or phrase to complete the sentences. 1. The internet has been for scientific advancements and research collaboration. A. Catalyst for progress. B. Revolutionary invention. C. Transformative force. 2. Social media platforms people from diverse backgrounds. A. Disseminate information globally. B. Enable instantaneous communication. C. Bridge gaps between individuals. 3. The wheel's significance when compared to the internet. A. Falls short. B. Accelerates progress. C. Fosters global connectivity. 4. Online learning platforms have access to knowledge and education. A. Unlocked countless opportunities for self-improvement. B. Revolutionized communication. C. Facilitated real-time interaction. 5. The internet's impact as a is profound. A. Transformative force of our time. B. Boundaryless communication. C. Faster drug development. 6. The internet's ability to has changed the way we communicate. A. Democratize education. B. Bridge gaps between individuals. C. Disseminate information globally. 7. The study conducted by the IT Research Center the internet's power. A. Accelerates progress. B. Demonstrates its immense power. C. Fosters global connectivity. 8. The internet has advancements in multiple areas simultaneously. A. Sets it apart as a transformative force of our time. B. Unlocked countless opportunities for self-improvement. C. Become an indispensable part of our lives. Exercise 4. Match the beginning of the sentence with its appropriate ending. 1. The internet's impact on communication and information access. 2. Online learning platforms. 3. The wheel's role in transportation and trade. 4. Instantaneous sharing of findings among scientists. 5. The internet's ability to simultaneously drive advancements. 6. The study conducted by the IT Research Center. 7. Collaborative research through online platforms. 8. The internet has become an indispensable part of our lives. Endings. A. Has led to breakthroughs in various fields. B. Has unlocked countless opportunities for self-improvement. C. Falls short when compared to the internet. D. Has revolutionized global communication. E. Has demonstrated its immense power. F. Has accelerated scientific advancements. G. Has fostered collaboration and knowledge exchange. H. Sets it apart as a transformative force of our time.
Các bạn có thể tham khảo phần đáp án và một số bài tập nữa trên website. Và hãy cho mình một lượt thích và đăng ký kênh để cập nhật những đề dự đoán mới nhất cho đợt thi IELTS sắp tới nhé. Xin cảm ơn.